Okay, so today I'm just gonna walk you through the practice test, very last thing, and we'll just kind of talk about the answers and see what you got. And then there will be a Zoom call today where you can ask more questions, and then tomorrow there will just be a really quick test over what we've been talking about. You can use your notes, use a calculator, totally fine with all of that. Okay, so first thing, 5 feet is how many inches? Well, there's 12 inches in every foot. So 5 times 12 would be 60 inches. Okay, the next one, number 2, if I have 3 miles, how many yards is that? So I have 3 miles times, there's 1,760 yards in every mile. So 3 times 1,760 is 5,280 yards. Okay, next, 5 yards is how many inches? So 5 and then times, there's 36 inches in every yard. So 5 times 36 is 180 inches. Number 4, 8 yards is how many feet? So every yard has 3 feet. 8 times 3 is 24. On number 5, 72 inches is how many feet? So 72 divided by 12, right? Every foot takes 12 inches, so how many groups of 12 could I make? That would be 6. And then this last one, 4.5 miles equals how many feet? So 4.5 miles, 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So 4.5 times 5,280 is 23,760 feet. Okay, coming down here for mass, 17 pounds is how many ounces? Each pound is 16 ounces. So 17 times 16 is 272 ounces. On number 8, 1.5 tons is how many pounds? Each ton is 2,000 pounds. So 1.5 times 2,000 would be 3,000 pounds. Number 9, 320 ounces is how many pounds? So every 16 ounces makes up 1 pound. So 320 divided by 16 is 20 pounds. Number 10, if you have 4,000 pounds, how many tons is that? Well, every ton is 2,000. So 4,000 divided by 2,000 is 2 tons. Okay, then I have just 2 little dimensional analysis ones on here. So 4 ounces a second is how many pounds an hour. So let's say we're working on a factory or whatever, and our machine is making 4 ounces of chocolate every second. Okay, so if I'm trying to get that into pounds, I'm gonna put, well, I know that 16 ounces are in 1 pound. Okay, and I did that because I want ounces and ounces to cancel. So I'm left with pounds on the top, which is what I want, and now I just have to get seconds into hours. So there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and then 60 minutes in 1 hour. So seconds and seconds cancel, minutes and minutes cancel. I have pounds and hours, which is exactly what I want. So now I'm going to use my calculator, and I have 4 times 1 times 60, times 60. So 14,400. On the bottom, I just have 16, so that would be 900 pounds every hour. Number 12, if I am flying in an airplane and it's going 300 miles an hour, how many feet am I going every minute? So 300 miles every hour. So let's worry about the distance part first. So what do I know about miles and feet? I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So the miles are gone. I'm now in feet, which is what I want. And now I need to get hours into minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So hours and hours cancel. I'm left with minutes on the bottom. So on the top, I have 300 times 5,280, and then I'm dividing that by 60 to get 26,400. Okay, so if every hour I'm going 300 miles, that means every minute I'm going 26,400 feet. Okay, moving on, customary capacity. So it says 12 cups is how many quarts? I'm looking for my little gallon guy, king gallon sheet. Okay, so it says 12 cups is how many quarts? So I'm looking on my page, right, and I want to know, well, what relates cups to quarts? Well, 1 quart is 4 cups. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 quarts. So if I have 12 little cups, right, I could make 3 quarts out of that. If I have 3 gallons, how many cups is that? Well, every gallon has 16 cups. So 3 times 16 is 48. What if I have 48 ounces? How many pints is that? Each pint has 16 ounces, so 48 divided by 16 makes 3 pints. Number 14, 4 cups is how many ounces? Well, every cup has 8 ounces, so 4 times 8 would be 32 ounces. Number 16, 5 quarts is how many pints? Well, 1 quart is 2 pints, so 5 times 2 would be 10 pints. Number 18, 40 cups is how many gallons? Well, 1 gallon has 16 cups, so 40 divided by 16, I want to say it's 2.5. Oops, I did times. 40 divided by 16 is 2.5 gallons. Okay, and then the very last section is about the metric system. And so let's look at our little metric page one more time. Here we go. So on this first one, if I'm going from kilograms to centigrams, kilograms down here to centigrams, I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take this decimal and move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on 21, I have 45,000 centiliters, and I'm going to kiloliters. So centiliters to kiloliters, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 to the left. So this is where it is now. I'm moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.45 kiloliters. I don't have to include those zeros. I could have if I wanted to, but I don't have to because they're after a decimal point. Okay, 785,000 millimeters is how many decameters? Oops, it would help if you could see that. So I'm going up to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 78.5. Number 20 is 412,000 milligrams is how many hectograms? So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So this is where my decimal is now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.12. Okay, that's a capital D. I know it looks weird. It's 4.7 decagrams is how many decigrams. Okay, so here to here. So I'm going to the right, 1, 2. So 1, 2. 470. And then this last one, 3.1 hectograms is how many centigrams? So hecto to centi, I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4.